Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Need to translate a message in WhatsApp quickly? No worries, in this video I'll show you how to translate any message. Let's dive in. Method 1. Using Gboard, Google Keyboard. If you use Gboard, you can translate message without copying text. Here is how. Open WhatsApp app, go to chats, and tap the text input field. Select the desired keyboard if you have more than one. Simple tap the planet icon and select Gboard. If you don't have the keyboard you want, you need to download it from the App Store. Then tap the Google Translate icon. Select the language you want to translate and start typing. Then press the translate button. Then finished text will appear immediately and you can send it out. Method 2. Using WhatsApp's built-in translation, iPhone only. If you use an iPhone with iOS 15 Plus, you can translate messages without extra apps. Start typing the messages. Now highlight the messages and at the top of the window then appears, press the right arrow and select translate. Here you can select the desired language, copy translation and replace with translation. If you can't find the language you need, click download language and select the desired one from the list. You can also translate your conversation partner's messages. Copy the message, then pass them and translate them in the same way. Method 3. Using Google Translate app, Android and iPhone. You can translate messages directly using Google Translate. Here is how. Download and install Google Translate app from the App Store. Open it. Next, open WhatsApp app and long press the message you want to translate. Tap copy and open the Google Translate. Then long press and tap paste. The copy text will be detected automatically. Select your desired language and you'll see the translation installed. For Android users, you can enable tap to translate in Google Translate settings to translate messages without switching apps. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.